Did you say a peach slaw? Is that what you said, Papa? Okay, kids, here comes the fun time. We got some slaw. We have some really thin sweet onions. Did you say a peach slaw? Is that what you said, Papa? You're losing your mind again. Let me see that little Louis. Cucaracha, olive oil, peach vinegar, little Louis. So let's put some olive oil in the bowl. Now we've got some peach balsamic. Look at it. So let's try this at home. Very carefully measured, like I like to do. It's about 60-40. Just a little peach nectar in there. Some cucaracha. Because what I like to do with the cucaracha is have it combat the sweetness. So you get that heat. And you always need some sodium and pepper. So we're going to do that. Let's whip this thing up. We want this to be sweet, savory. We want it to help the peaches pop. Great. We're ready. Oh, look at that slaw. Don't want to overslaw it. Hold on. Overdress it. Want to be subtle. Stir it up. Make sure you get all those peaches in. This is a great summertime slaw. Takes care of the peaches. You got the sweet onions. Hey, Casey.
Yeah.
Give me your approval. Yeah. I got a wooden spoon for you.
Okay.
My favorite son, Casey. It really is delicious. So we're going to set this aside. Now we're going to go to work on the pork belly.